Hi, all. Just a quick announcement. Yeah, point out a couple things as you're beginning the class, getting things going. Um, so for discussions, all discussions, and our reviews, as I've mentioned, are in the format of discussions also. But for all discussions, right, you're required to do an original post and then two responses to other classmates' posts. Keep that in mind as the due date for the food introductions discussion approaches. Okay, you need to get all of that done. So it's best to, get the original post done fairly early, so that way people have time to give some responses. I'm just noticing there's not a lot of posts on the discussions page, so I just wanted to point that out. Um, so I'm looking forward to to reading those discussion posts, giving I'll give you some responses to those as we do that. Um, as you move into reading, consider the lobster. Um, Remember, right? I mean, what we'll be doing with that, and it's a good idea to go through the modules and at least the first module that you have access to right now, and actually read each page before you do anything, just to see where you're going, what's going to be required, what how all this stuff is building, so that you can see and know what to make use of. Okay, but as we approach writing the summary of Consider the Lobster, remember that we're going to have a discussion of Consider the Lobster. You'll then have a peer review of your rough draft of Consider the Lobster, and again, remember it's a full essay. It's a summary, so summaries are generally shorter, but it is it's still an essay. So you are going to want to turn in a full draft and follow all the directions on the assignment sheet. So make sure you check out those directions. Make sure you're reading the directions for all the discussions. So you're doing what you need to do to get the full credit and to do well in the course. Okay, I think that's it for now. Please, as always, if you have any questions, please ask me through the Canvas inbox, and I will be having office hours again normally, Tuesdays and Thursdays for y'all. So I do expect to have that tomorrow if you need to speak to me. Okay, take care.